Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now open your network and internet. Here you can see advanced network settings. You have to tap on this. Now you can see here network reset. You have to click on this. If you want to reset your network, then click on reset now. So this is how you can reset network settings in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.